Welcome back to the SysAdmin Lab. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Windows Server 2022 inside VMware Workstation. This is perfect if you are building your own home lab for practice or certifications. We have created a virtual machine in VMware Workstation in our previous tutorial. And if you missed our previous tutorial or want to learn how to download VMware Workstation from VMware website or how to install and configure to set up home labs, I'll put the link down below or you can visit our channel. Stay tuned for more tutorials around support and system administrator roles. Let's get started. Let's download Windows Server 2022 ISO from Microsoft official website. Please open your choice of browser and type Download Windows Server 2022 and press Enter. I'll place a link down below. This will bring you to the search area with Microsoft official website at the top. You can right-click and open this in New tab or can just click. It will bring you to Microsoft official download website. Sometimes it asks you to fill the information before download, which we will see in a bit. Here you can see we have Windows Server 2022 ISO downloads available, along with multiple language options to download. We can click here at 64-bit edition, or we can go here at the top Windows Server drop-down menu and select Windows Server 2022. It will bring you to the next window where you can read everything about Windows Server 2022, like prerequisites, evaluation version period and other information. Just to mention, for lab purposes, we can use Evaluation Edition, which is completely free for 180 days. Now you can click here at Download the ISO, and this will bring you to new windows where you have to fill information which I just mentioned at other option of ISO download. After filling the complete information, click on Download Now, and ISO download will be started. For this demo purposes, I'll go back to previous windows and click on 64-bit edition ISO. ISO download process will be started instantly and wait until the download get completed. Download is completed, you can click here on Show in Folder, or you can go to Download folder directly. That's it, you've successfully finished downloading Windows Server 2022. You are now ready for the next step. Once the download is completed, now we'll begin with Windows Server 2022 installation. First thing first, now we need to map this downloaded ISO file to our virtual machine from the download folder. Open VMware Workstation where we have created our first virtual machine in previous video. Right-click over the machine name and select Edit Virtual Machine. Here is the option to choose Downloaded ISO file. We'll select the ISO image and click on Open. And click OK. On this settings windows we can change out assigned resources if needed. Once we are done with changes, we'll power on the virtual machine. As soon as virtual machine start, it'll ask you to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Just hit the any key on your keyboard, and installation will be started. At this first pop-up installation wizard, it'll ask you to choose language, time and currency format, and keyboard settings. Language will remain English as we have downloaded English edition ISO image. Rest two options can be modified as per requirements. I will leave all these defaults for this demo and click on Next. Next Windows will ask you to click on Install Now to begin installation. At the next Windows we have options to choose between two editions: Standard Edition or Data Center Edition. Also, we have two sub-options to choose from. That is completely depends on the need of this server. First one is Standard Core and second one is Standard Desktop Experience. The main difference between both is that Desktop Experience includes a full GUI for easy management, while Server Core is command line only, lightweight, and optimized for performance and security. I'll choose Standard Edition with Desktop Experience for this demo and click on Next. At the next window it asks you for licensing agreement. I tick on I accept and click Next. Now here it is asking us about if we are upgrading an older server which might have some operating system related issues. If that's the case, we can choose first option. Otherwise choose the other option, which is Custom and Advanced. As we are doing first installation of this machine, I'll choose Advanced option and it will take us to next window, where it asks about the drive selection. As we have only one drive, so I'll select the available one and click Add New to create a new drive from this unallocated drive. Here it will show you notification message to tell that Windows itself may create some other drives as per Windows requirements. Then click on Next. Here the installation will begin. It will take some time to complete. Installation process speed also depends on your resources assigned to this virtual machine. Once Windows installation completed, server will be reboot in 10 seconds, or you can click Restart Now tab. Once server is rebooted and initialized completely for the first time, it will ask you to set your login password for administrator password. Choose your password and click on Finish. Now click on 3 tabs icon to click Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete key together to unlock server. Type your newly created password, and you logged in for the first time on your server. Congratulations on completing your first Windows Server 2022 installation. As we can see, this virtual machine display didn't fully expand. Also, you might notice that your mouse control has lag. The reason behind this problem is we need to install VMware tools, which help virtual machines to synchronize completely with physical host machine. This is like we install drivers for display at our laptop or desktop machines to get better experience. To install VMware tools, right-click on Virtual Machine name here at top. Then select Install VMware Tools. Once you click, one folder of VMware tools will be attached to the virtual machine as CD/DVD drive. And it will start VMware tools installation automatically. If installation didn't begin automatically, then go this PC and open the attached drive. Find installer file and double-click. At Welcome Wizard Windows, it shows about VMware Tools version and other details. Click Next. Here we have 3 different options. We can choose as per our requirements. Since we are doing tools installation for the first time, choose Typical option and click Next. At Next Windows, click at Install and installation will begin. Once the installation is completed, you will see display settings is changed automatically. To finish the installation, it will ask you to reboot virtual machines. Click Yes. As this is fresh installed server, so we do not have any additional roles installed here, which we will do in upcoming tutorials. Stay tuned. First thing we will change after the reboot is machine name inside the Windows Server 2022. This is completely optional in lab environment, but always recommended in production environments or Active Directory domain environments to identify server correctly, where we could have hundreds of servers. Click on Local Server on your left-hand side. Now click on Computer Name. At the next Windows here, you can type server name of your choice for this lab and click OK. Now it asks you to reboot server to save changes, and we have done server name changes successfully. After the reboot, log in on server to verify if server name is modified. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed Windows Server 2022 at your first virtual machine. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned to the SysAdmin Lab for upcoming hands-on experience videos, where we'll dive deeper into real-world scenarios and build skills step by step. Whether you are a beginner or aiming for advanced system administrator roles, you'll find plenty of practical knowledge here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Till then, stay safe.